quick XRP update. Let's get started with the technicals first. So for the past 35 days, we've been stuck at these prices. We've been bouncing off the $1.10 line and bouncing back up to like 135, 140. And depending on the news, and especially with the war in Iran, and then important catalysts coming up this week, we should be able to bounce back up to 160, or if we get bad news, we can fall back to 110. But I do expect XRP to stay in this range until something happens or we get tremendous news or bad news. We either break up or we break down. And now we have news that Goldman Sachs is now the largest institutional holder of XRP. Goldman Sachs has quietly become the largest institutional holder of spot XRP exchange traded ETF shares. And they hold nearly $154 million worth of shares of XRP ETFs. So only firms managing more than 100 million in qualifying securities must file quarterly 13F reports with the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission. So Goldman Sachs is quietly loading the boat on shares of XRP ETFs. And before we leave, let's go look at our calendar for this week. Tomorrow we do get U.S. core CPI, U.S. CPI month over month, and the U.S. CPI year over year. This is very important. If we can come under the forecast, that is good news because it means the Feds are likely to be more inclined to cut rates. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll catch you in the next one.